Hey there, sports card investors. My name is Tyler Nethercott, better known as Teapot, and I am the VP of Data and Operations here at SCI. And specifically, I focus on the day-to-day development of our Market Movers data platform. It's been less than 4 months since we last updated and did a training video on Market Movers, but we've launched so many new features that it's time to give you all an update. So let's go over and I'll give you a full tour of all of the features within Market Movers. All right, so in order to find out about Market Movers and the two plans that we offer, you can visit www.marketmoversapp.com and scroll down and you'll be able to compare all of the features within Market Movers at a Pro and Lite membership level. All of the features are listed out here, and you can see the pricing at $24.99 a month or $249.99 a year to save 18% on an annual plan, and our Pro membership at $49.99 a month or just under $500 a year, again saving 18%. Once you're logged in, the dashboard is the first thing you'll see. Here you can save your favorite player cards and searches, and this page will become a very valuable summary of the cards that you track the most, updated every day with the latest prices. You can track the last average sale of your favorite cards or of your favorite players' price movements and use this information to quickly navigate and see more detail about what their cards have been doing over the last 7, 30, 90, or even 180 and 365 days. Once you've familiarized yourself with our dashboard, the best tool to get you started is our new Quick Search feature. In order to use Quick Search, just click on the orange magnifying glass and start typing. From here you can click on a single card or you can compare multiple cards to see how they stack up against one another. And this is our popular card charts page. By default, you'll notice that it sets you to 90 days of history, but you can use these quick date toggles to check and see an even greater duration of time, or you can even set your date range manually to get more information. The tabs above show different types of charts. Price changes by dollars shows the chart and the trend line for the price movements of that card. Price changes by percentage shows by what percentage a card has increased or decreased over time. Total sales dollars multiplies the daily price by the number of transactions to reveal the gross dollars day by day. Number of sales charts show you the daily sales volume and how popular or unpopular a card has been. And last average sale price quickly compares the current price of multiple cards together. Below the chart, there are many other helpful tabs. The Stats tab shows you detailed statistics about any card you included in your search. Look to see how many cards have sold in that particular period, what the low and high sales were, the starting average, the ending average, and just how much that card has changed in value over time. The Ratios tab is for our Pro members, and we'll touch on that shortly. The For Sale tab shows you cards on eBay that are selling at or below market value so that you can hunt for deals. And the Detailed Results tab shows you all of the details of the sales transactions for the cards that are listed. If you want to do a little bit more advanced filtering, click on the new Advanced Search button. Start by typing a player's name on the left. Click the checkboxes next to multiple players to put them into the same search. As you build your search, you'll pick different sets, variations, and grades that we track for the player, and then click Search to see the chart. You can save your searches so that you can run them again in the future with just one click. Our popular card charts track close to 40,000 cards as of recording this video, and we add thousands of new cards every month. But even if a card that you're looking for isn't on our popular card charts yet, you can still search for that card by using Chart Other Cards. Let's check that out. Chart Other Cards allows you to use the search fields to search for any card and to see the sales results for the last 90 days. You'll get a chart with statistics just like popular card charts. And if you have a sale that doesn't look right, you can remove it. Find the high point at May 7th, $1,407, and remove the listings that don't match what you're looking for. Now I've got a chart giving me some great history on this card that hasn't been added to the popular card charts yet. Set and year charts are essentially the same as popular card charts, except that they allow you to search by entire years and sets to see how different players stack up in price more easily. This is a great feature to see how entire rookie classes are trending in relation to one another, and to see who's selling for the most and who's selling for the least. If you're on the hunt for deals, our new eBay deal search is the place for you. Filter by sport, year, set, grade, player, or price range, and look for cards that are well below the price of recent sales comps. This awesome feature is available to both Lite and Pro members. And speaking of Pro members, let's take a look at the additional features available to those users. My Collection is a Pro feature, and it's one of the most powerful features in Market Movers. My Collection is your own personal inventory management system. Say goodbye to spreadsheets. My Collection tracks the value of all the cards from our popular card charts daily, so so that you can watch the value of your collection grow over time. Sort and filter the value of your collection from high to low so that you can figure out which cards it's time to sell. If a card isn't in our popular cards database just yet, you can still add it as a manual card. This allows you to quickly check the price of the card on Chart Other Cards so that you can keep the prices updated. It looks like the most recent price for this card is $64, so I'm going to go ahead and update my price. Use Sync Manual Cards daily to check and see if any of your manual cards can be merged into popular cards. Now this card is a popular card that will automatically update the price every single day. My collection gives you multiple ways to visualize your investments, whether it's the growing total value or pie charts by sport, player, year, set, and grade. It even tracks what cards you've sold and how much profit you've made over time. Buying sealed wax has proven to be a savvy investment strategy for sports card investors, and our Chart Sealed Wax tool works similarly to Chart Other Cards, with drop downs for the types of box you're looking to buy or sell. Scroll down to find a recent sales price for that particular product, and use the For Sale on eBay button to find active listings of the same thing. We are in the process of developing popular sealed wax charts just like our popular card charts, which should be out later in June or early July. You can also track your wax investments in My Sealed Wax. Price alerts allow you to set a price alert threshold and to receive a daily email notification when a particular card has fallen above or below the price you specified. Knowing when a card hits your buy or sell target price is crucial. Price Alerts helps pro members stay on top of their targets without having to check each card on a daily basis. Price movements by player and by card, as well as sales volume by player and by card, allow you to track the price changes in sales volume of all the popular cards in our database over time. Check to see which cards have increased or decreased the most over the last 7, 14, 30, or even the last 365 days. This data helps pro members stick to the most basic investing principles: buy low and sell high. And last but not least, and we referenced this earlier, our price ratios found in our intelligence reports section helps you to accurately predict what cards are underpriced and will rise in value by using ratios to quickly compare those cards to other grades or variations or players. Use this information to find out specific averages and other statistics about larger sets of data, and then to hone in on the outliers with these little exclamation points to find price buying opportunities. One final tip, be sure to get familiar with the info pages. It's the best place to get answers to commonly asked questions, to get updated training videos, to find out what features are coming out soon or what's come out recently, and to see all of the cards that we've added recently to our database. Market Movers has so many awesome features, and we're releasing new ones all the time. And one of the most exciting things that I didn't even cover yet is that we now have native mobile apps for Android and for iPhone. Download our app and get started easily checking comps when you're at card shows or negotiating deals at your LCS. Again, for more information, visit www.marketmoversapp.com. That's marketmoversapp.com. Our Market Movers Lite is only $24.99 a month, and our Market Movers Pro just $49.99 a month. Thanks for considering Market Movers and for supporting Sports Card Investor. Profit from the hobby that you love.